My name is Fred France. I'm the operations manager for the site to make sure the operation inside and outside the building is done correctly and safe for employees. Well, the typical winters here, we can have maybe 10 to 15 different snow events. So in the past, we have used various different types of de-icers, and we've used a lot of salt in our parking lots. One of the issues with that is it can track into the building. In that process there, it will corrode our doorways. Entry's really helped us a lot in reducing the tracking of de-icer materials into our lobby. We're using Entry as a pre-treatment prior to a storm coming in, and we actually also use it once there's several inches of snow on the ground. We'll shovel that off and reapply it. So with that reapplication, it'll melt the snow that's coming down there, and that's a big benefit.